Today, you will learn how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word in the easiest possible way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's talk about the best and most professional method. This method works when your document uses headings from Word's Styles section. If you have used headings like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3, then this method will feel like magic to you. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Now, look at the top ribbon and click on the View tab. Inside the View tab, you will find an option called Navigation Pane. Click on it to enable it. As soon as you enable this, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you will see 3 tabs. Click on the one that says Headings. Here, Word shows you all the headings used in your document in a list form. Now comes the powerful part. You don't have to scroll through pages anymore. You don't have to select text. You don't have to cut and paste. Simply click on any heading in this list, hold your mouse button, drag it up or down, and drop it where you want. When you move the heading, Word automatically moves all the content under that heading to the new location. This means you are actually rearranging full pages and sections just by dragging headings. This is why using headings properly in a document is very important. If you make a mistake while dragging, simply press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo it instantly. Once you finish rearranging your document, go to File and click Save to keep your changes. Now, let's say your document does not have headings, or you never used styles while typing. Don't worry, there is still a very simple method for you. This method is called the Cut and Paste method. Scroll to the page you want to move. Now, carefully select all the content of that page using your mouse or trackpad. You can also click at the start of the content, hold Shift, and click at the end to quickly select everything. Once the content is selected, right-click on it and choose Cut. This removes the content from that page. Next, scroll to the place where you want this content to go. Click your cursor at the exact point where you want the page to start. Right-click and choose Keep Source Formatting when pasting. This ensures your fonts, spacing, and layout stay exactly the same. As soon as you paste, Word automatically adjusts the pages and your content is now moved to a new location. This is how you manually rearrange pages when headings are not available. One important tip for beginners is to turn on the Show Hide option from the Home tab, which looks like a paragraph symbol. This helps you see extra spaces, page breaks, and paragraph marks, so you don't accidentally leave unwanted gaps when moving content. Also, always save your document before making big changes so you can go back if something goes wrong. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials made especially for beginners.